Bitter melon, or as we call it in Hindi, Karela, is a vegetable unlike any other. It does have a bitter taste, but don't worry. This vegetable is very beneficial for you. It's packed with nutrients and has been used in traditional medicine for centuries. Imagine a green cucumber with bumps all over it. That's exactly what bitter melon looks like. As it ripens, its color changes from green to a bright orange. The taste? Yes, it is bitter, but that's what makes it special. Bitter melon isn't just a vegetable, it's a treasure trove of health. From managing blood sugar levels to improving digestion, this small-looking vegetable can do wonders for your health. So, the next time you see bitter melon at the market, don't overlook it. Embrace its unique flavor and enjoy its amazing health benefits. Bitter melon's journey through time has been fascinating. It originated in India, where it has been cultivated for centuries. Ancient Indian texts mention its medicinal properties, highlighting its significance in traditional medicine. From India, bitter melon spread throughout Asia, reaching China and Southeast Asia. It quickly gained popularity for its culinary and medicinal uses. People used it in stir-fries, curries, and even as a natural remedy for various ailments. The fame of this vegetable spread even further, reaching Africa and the Caribbean. In these regions, bitter melon became a staple ingredient in local cuisines. Its ability to thrive in tropical climates made it a popular choice for farmers. Today, bitter melon is grown and enjoyed worldwide. From traditional recipes to modern culinary creations, this versatile vegetable continues to captivate taste buds and promote well-being. Don't be fooled by the bitter taste. Bitter melon is packed with nutrients. Just 100 grams of this amazing vegetable contains a good amount of vitamins and minerals. Vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant, is found abundantly in bitter melon. It helps boost immunity, protect cells from damage, and keep your skin glowing. Vitamin A, essential for healthy vision, is also present in good amounts. It aids cell growth and helps maintain healthy skin and mucous membranes. Bitter melon is a good source of folate, a B vitamin crucial for cell division and growth. It's especially important during pregnancy for the healthy development of the fetus. Additionally, this wonder vegetable provides essential minerals like potassium, magnesium, and iron. These minerals play a vital role in maintaining fluid balance, nerve function, and red blood cell production. Bitter melon isn't just nutritious, it's a powerhouse of health benefits. For centuries, it has been used in traditional medicine to treat various ailments. One of its most renowned benefits is its ability to help manage blood sugar levels. Bitter melon contains compounds that act like insulin, helping the body use glucose efficiently. This bitter vegetable is also a digestive aid. It stimulates the production of digestive juices, aiding digestion and providing relief from constipation. Its high fiber content further promotes digestive health. Bitter melon's antioxidant properties make it a potent immunity booster. It helps fight free radicals, protect cells from damage, and reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Additionally, bitter melon is believed to possess anti-cancer properties. Studies suggest that certain compounds in bitter melon may inhibit the growth of cancer cells. Section 5. Bitter melon in traditional medicine. Bitter melon's journey through history is intertwined with traditional medicine. Ancient healing systems like Ayurveda and traditional Chinese medicine have long recognized its therapeutic potential. In Ayurveda, bitter melon is considered a cooling food that balances all three doshas, Vata, Pitta, and Kapha. It is used to treat digestive disorders, skin problems, and respiratory issues. Traditional Chinese medicine views bitter melon as a blood purifier and detoxifier. It is used to remove heat from the body, reduce inflammation, and promote liver health. Modern research is now validating many of the traditional uses of bitter melon. Studies have shown its effectiveness in managing blood sugar levels, lowering cholesterol, and boosting immunity. The knowledge from ancient healing systems combined with modern scientific research sheds light on the vast therapeutic potential of this incredible vegetable. Section 6. Versatile consumption, from juice to supplements. The versatility of bitter melon extends beyond its culinary uses. It can be consumed in various forms, each offering unique benefits. Bitter melon juice is a popular way to enjoy its nutrients in a concentrated form. The juice, though bitter, can be blended with other fruits and vegetables to make it more palatable. Bitter melon tea is another popular option, especially in Asian countries. The tea is made by steeping dried slices of bitter melon in hot water. It is believed to aid digestion and promote detoxification. For those who prefer a more convenient option, bitter melon supplements are readily available. These supplements usually come in capsule or tablet form and provide a concentrated dose of bitter melon's beneficial compounds. Whether you prefer it juiced, brewed, or encapsulated, bitter melon offers multiple options to incorporate its goodness into your diet. Section 7. A word of caution. Potential side effects. While bitter melon offers numerous health benefits, it is essential to be aware of potential side effects, especially when consumed in excess. Pregnant women should exercise caution as bitter melon may stimulate uterine contractions. It is best to consult a healthcare professional before consuming bitter melon during pregnancy. Individuals with low blood sugar levels should monitor their intake carefully. Bitter melon can lower blood sugar levels, potentially leading to hypoglycemia. Excessive consumption of bitter melon may cause digestive discomfort in some individuals. It is advisable to start with small quantities and gradually increase intake as tolerated. As with any dietary changes, it's crucial to consult a healthcare professional before adding bitter melon to your diet, especially if you have any underlying health conditions. Section 8. Taming the bitterness, culinary tips and tricks. The bitterness of bitter melon can be intimidating for some, but fear not. There are simple culinary tricks to tone down its sharp flavor and make it more palatable. One effective method is to sprinkle salt on the sliced bitter melon and let it sit for about 30 minutes. This process draws out some of the bitterness and reduces its intensity. Incorporating strong flavors like garlic, ginger, chilies, and spices can help mask the bitterness. These ingredients complement the flavor profile of bitter melon, creating a harmonious and delicious dish. Cooking bitter melon with sweeteners like jaggery, honey, or sugar can balance out the bitterness. The sweetness counteracts the bitterness, resulting in a more pleasant taste. So, don't hesitate to experiment with different flavors and cooking methods to discover what suits your palate. With a little creativity, you can transform bitter melon into a delectable culinary delight. Section 9. Conclusion. Embracing the goodness of bitter melon. Bitter melon, with its unique flavor and remarkable health benefits, deserves a special place in our diet. From managing blood sugar levels to boosting immunity and aiding digestion, this humble vegetable offers a wealth of goodness. While its bitterness might seem challenging at first, simple culinary techniques can transform it into a delightful ingredient. Whether you prefer it in a stir-fry, curry, juice, or tea, there's a way to enjoy bitter melon that suits your taste. So the next time you're at the market, don't hesitate to pick up this incredible vegetable. Embrace its unique flavor, explore its culinary versatility, and experience the transformative power of bitter melon for yourself.